Hello friends, welcome to the world of Crypto Unity Network. CUN is a life-changing opportunity, a concept where some people believed that to bring the best of the crypto world to individuals, understanding what crypto is becomes crucial. Thus, the CUN concept was born, with the idea that there is no singular owner. Anyone who associates with this concept becomes an owner. CUN is a concept based on 100% decentralized smart contracts that operate on the mechanisms of minting, burning, and referrals. Let's delve into how the CUN concept works. First, let's understand how minting mechanism works in CUN concept. In the CUN concept, if you have conducted a transaction to purchase tokens worth $100, then 85% of the transaction amount is transferred to the token liquidity pool, and 15% is transferred to the referral liquidity pool, both constituting separate pools. Following this, 60% of your transaction value, for example, $60 worth of tokens, is minted. The initial token price is $0.00001, resulting in the minting of a total of 6 million tokens. Out of these, 5 million tokens are allocated to your address, while 1 million tokens are sent to the creator's address. This marks the commencement of the continuous rate increase process in the CUN system, where the rate elevation is not a result of magic, but rather logic. The logic dictates that the token liquidity divided by the minted tokens equals the live rate. From the initial transaction to the CUN smart contract, $85 liquidity divided by 6 million tokens results in a live rate of $0.0000141. Let's proceed with the next buy transaction. Once again, if someone purchases $100 worth of tokens, 85% of the tokens will be allocated to the liquidity pool, and 15% of the dollars will be directed to the referral pool. Again, following this, 60% of your transaction value, $60 worth of tokens, is minted. So the live rate is $0.0000141, and at this rate, 4,235,294 tokens are minted. Currently, there have been 2 transactions. The total token liquidity in the CUN contract is $170, and the total minted tokens are 10,235,294. When you divide the dollars by the tokens, the live rate is $0.0000166. In this manner, with each CUN purchase, the transaction pay rate will consistently increase. Let's examine a chart that illustrates 2 transactions of $100, 2 transactions of $500, and 2 transactions of $1,000. After 6 transactions, the total liquidity would be $2,720, and minted tokens would be 89,294,667. This ratio, known as liquidity dollars divided by tokens, results in a live rate of $0.00003,046. Thanks to this robust mechanism, you can utilize your tokens whenever necessary. If you decide to sell, you can do so at the live rate and deposit USDT into your wallet. Now, let's understand the burning mechanism in the CUN concept. So now, let's delve into the selling mechanism of the CUN token. The holder of the CUN token might think, let me sell my 5 million tokens at the live rate of $0.00003,046. According to this rate, they should receive $152.30, resulting in the burning of 5 million tokens. However, with a 20% deduction on the withdrawal, they will end up with $121.84 in hand. Out of the 20% deducted, 10% is then added to the liquidity pool, bringing it to $2,582.92. This amount constitutes 5% of the referral reward, while the remaining 5% goes to the creator. After this transaction in the CUN smart contract, there are now 84,294,667 tokens and $2,582.92 in liquidity. The live rate is calculated using the formula $ divided by token, resulting in a live rate of $0.00003064. This illustrates the logic that the rate increases both when buying and selling tokens. Here, we'll examine the changes in the rate mechanism resulting from the referral withdrawal. Following the transaction of buying and selling CUN tokens, $487.61 is deposited into the referral reward pool, constituting 15% and 10%. However, after the referral reward withdrawal of $487.61, a 20% deduction leaves $390.09 credited to multiple referral wallets. Further, 10% of that amount goes to the liquidity pool. Additionally, 5% is allocated to the creators, and the remaining 5% balance resides in the referral liquidity. Despite these transactions, the token count remains at 84,294,667. Using our live rate formula, dividing the liquidity dollars by tokens, our live rate is calculated to be $0.00003121. Now we understand the description of the referral program for the CUN token system, where users can earn rewards by referring others to buy CUN tokens. Here's a breakdown of the referral program based on your description. 10-level referrer program. You will receive a 5% referral reward from first-level references, 3% referral reward from second-level references, 2% referral reward from third-level references, 1% referral reward from each level from the 4th to the 6th levels, 0.5% referral reward from each level from the 7th to the 10th levels. Token sale bonus. Earn an additional 0.5% on the token sale of your referral up to 10 levels. This accumulates to a total of 5% referral reward on token sales. Token selling limits. Users can sell tokens up to 200% of their token buying value without any restrictions. To sell tokens beyond this limit, users must engage in buying and selling to make a profit. Profit on buying and selling. Users can earn up to 500% of their token buying value by engaging in buying and selling rewards. Further to receiving more referral rewards, users need to buy tokens again. Now, let's explore how you can establish a stable income with the CUN token referral program. Once you've grasped the workings of the CUN system, imagine you purchase $20 in CUN tokens. As you explain the CUN system to 5 individuals, and they each purchase $20 as well, your potential rewards start to take shape. It's crucial to note that your present and future successes lie within your control. Consider this scenario. Let's use the 5x matrix formula for $20. The resulting referral rewards would amount to a substantial figure of $3,664,101 after completing 10 levels, as shown in the chart. This exemplifies the incredible potential within the CUN token referral program. The power is in your hands. Now, Envision your strength and embark on the golden path of this economic revolution. Let's delve into how the CUN token differentiates itself and showcases its power. 1. Decentralized smart contract. CUNetwork is a 100% decentralized smart contract. 2. Token ownership. CUN token owners are those who bought and currently hold the tokens. 3. Liquidity control. Liquidity of CUN tokens is exclusively accessible to token holders, allowing withdrawals at the live rate. 4. Token rate stability. Whether you buy, sell, or withdraw a referral reward, the token rate consistently increases. 5. Rate floor assurance. The rate at which you purchased CUN tokens will never dip below that same rate. 6. Flexible selling. You have the freedom to sell your CUN tokens anytime at the live rate. 7. Minting and burning. CUN tokens are minted upon purchase and burned upon sale. These 7 key features highlight the distinctive qualities of CUN token, demonstrating its strength and uniqueness. Also, it's important for users to understand the terms and conditions of the referral program, including any limitations or requirements for receiving and using the rewards. Additionally, users should be aware of the risks associated with buying and selling tokens for profit. Always consider the market conditions and make informed decisions. So what are you waiting for? Join the CUN community now.